Hi, my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. So, today is a very special day, and I really hope that you guys have been tuning in because today is day 6 of the Advent Calendar series. Oh my goodness, we're almost at a week of Advent. Yeah, I am trying to savor these days, but it's just trying to blast on past me. No, thank you, boo boo. Slow down. So, the magical box number 6, I cannot get over how beautiful it is. There's little tiny crystals outlined in gold, like a rose gold color. And can we just take a moment to talk about how beautiful this box is? The royal blue and gold. Oh my goodness. All of the celestial vibes and okay. They took the gold right out of my mouth and put it here. This is such a darling gold foil. Now, when I unboxed Starlight and I did that stunning French, this is the gold I was envisioning. So we might have to do another set with these gold accents because this is crazy. Maybe some snowflakes with the foil gel glue and then this foil because it's so beautiful. But first I want to swatch it for you beautiful humans. So I am taking the foil gel glue that they gave us. I am giving a delicious coat and then I'm going to cure that for 2 minutes. And actually, Miss Jo shared a really interesting fact. She said that foil does not like hot surfaces. So make sure that your nail cools down before you start all of this magic. Now, when I placed this down, I did see a couple wrinkle lines, but I was not concerned because once you're done, you can actually take more of that foil to the wrinkles, and if there's enough stick, it will fill in, no problem, like seamless. And if there's not enough stick, you just do another thin coat of that gel glue, and then you will have the perfect coverage. So that is what I did because I wanted to make sure that this looked like holiday wrapping, y'all. This demo, we are going to do a ribbon and a bow, baby. This gold was too beautiful. I thought of all of the luxury wrapping paper vibes. So that is what we are going to do today on my gorgeous model, Miss Sunshine. I wanted to take a moment to thank you, my beautiful nail family. Every comment, every reshare, like throughout this series, I have just felt so overwhelmed with love and joy, and already like this is such a love project, but the fact that my family's been coming through to support me, like there is no words. So y'all, I am doing 2 giveaways on this channel, and one of them, baby, is Madam Glam giveaway. So please make sure that you are following, especially if you're new here today, so that you can see all of the posts and the special giveaway video that is coming up that will give all of the details and how you can enter. Oh my goodness, I am just so excited, and especially the fact that I've been able to celebrate this for the past 3 years. I have like amassed some goodies. So I took the black gel liner from last year and I quickly made that beautiful ribbon so then we can attach the pretty little bow. But can we take a moment for how beautiful this gold is on my model's skin tone? Oh my goodness, the gold. It was made for her. Oh, I can't get over how beautiful, and the tiny flecks and fragments of gold that's on that bow. Mwah. That is just giving all of the vibes. So I'm just taking my flash cure and my mini flashy and just making sure she is cured so that bow does not run away. Oh, I'm just so in love. And so far, in all 3 years, they've given completely different foils. So I really love that, especially because this is not a staple on their website. This is a fun, limited edition product that will keep you going for the rest of the year. As you saw, I still have foil from 3 years ago. So if you keep it in a good place, it never expires. But let me tell ya, it will continue to inspire you to do all sorts of gorgeous art. You can also do foil tricks in which you do patches of foil with different foils to develop a full, like, gorgeous background. Don't worry, through this series, we are definitely going to be playing with some more foil because they hooked us up with the best foil gel glue and the Darling Foils. Thank you so much for coming along for day 6. I cannot wait to see you for tomorrow, the first week of Advent, for day 7. I am sending you so much love and light and giving you the biggest hugs. I pray this video found you so well. Thank you for watching. Mwah. See you tomorrow.